Welcome to Aviation Aftermath.
Today we revisiting the deadliest single aircraft disaster in aviation history, a tragedy that shook Japan and changed aviation safety forever. This is the story of Japan Airlines Flight 123. It's August 12, 1985. Japan Airlines Flight 123, a Boeing 747, is preparing for a routine domestic flight from Tokyo's Haneda Airport to Osaka. On board, 524 people, 509 passengers, and 15 crew members. Many are heading home for the Bon holiday, a time for families to reunite and honor their ancestors. At 6:12 p.m., Flight 123 takes off, just 12 minutes behind schedule. No one could have imagined the nightmare that was about to unfold. 12 minutes after takeoff, as the aircraft climbs to 24,000 feet, a sudden explosive bang shakes the plane. The rear pressure bulkhead, a critical part of the fuselage, has catastrophically failed, causing rapid decompression in the cabin. Within seconds, the vertical stabilizer, the plane's tail fin, tears away. All four hydraulic systems are destroyed. The pilots, Captain Masami Takahama, First Officer Yutaka Sasaki, and Second Officer Hiroshi Fukuda, lose nearly all control of the aircraft. The only way to steer now is by adjusting the thrust on the engines, a desperate, nearly impossible task for a massive 747. For the next 32 minutes, the crew battles to save the plane. Flight 123 flies in wide, uncontrolled arcs over the mountains of Gunma Prefecture. The pilots send repeated distress calls, requesting an emergency return to Tokyo. Despite their efforts, the crippled jet continues to lose altitude. Passengers, aware of their fate, write farewell notes to loved ones, a haunting testament to the human side of this tragedy. At 6:56 p.m., after 32 minutes of struggle, Flight 123 crashes into the remote slopes of Mount Takamagahara at over 340 knots, nearly 400 miles per hour. The impact is devastating. Of the 524 on board, only 4 survive, all seated near the rear of the plane. Rescue efforts are hampered by the mountainous terrain and nightfall. It takes nearly 14 hours for teams to reach the site. Tragically, many who survived the initial crash succumb to their injuries before help arrives. The 4 survivors, 3 young women and an off-duty flight attendant, are found in the wreckage, their stories a rare glimmer of hope amid overwhelming loss. Investigators soon uncover the cause. 7 years earlier, the aircraft had suffered a tail strike. The rear pressure bulkhead was repaired, but the repair was faulty. Instead of overlapping 2 rows of rivets, only one was used, leaving a critical weakness. Over thousands of flights, the metal slowly fractured until it finally gave way. This disaster led to sweeping changes in aircraft maintenance, repair protocols, and emergency response procedures worldwide. Japan Airlines Flight 123 remains a stark reminder of the importance of rigorous safety standards and the courage of those who face the unimaginable. Thank you for watching Aviation Aftermath. If you found this story important, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. And remember, every lesson learned in aviation brings us closer to safer skies.